Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. I'll be explaining to you guys about the newest Plants vs. Brain Rots update. It is called the Corrupted Plant Pantry. Bring plants to corrupt them. It says, bring me plants, I will corrupt them. So this is the before corruption, this is the after corruption. So I'm going to get a plant here. I'll do it on, let's do mango. And give plant, and then press yes. Any current mutations will be removed. Then it's going to bring it here, and I'll be right back once it's done mutating. And this is what the corrupted mango looks like. Let's place it in our garden and actually see the DPS on it. Let me just take out this current mango that I have. Let me just shovel that up. I can just shovel it. Sorry. Here's what it looks like. Okay, can I even see the DPS on this or no? Okay, okay. So level 1 of it, it's 23,000 damage per second. It's actually not that bad. I'm going to try to mutate more of my plants. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!